Hello, this is a quick video to show how to set background image for camera in Blender. This is the first scene in Blender. Firstly, we can select the camera and go to View and Cameras. Just set Active Objects as camera. So we can have camera view. I close up to view it. And then we can go to the side panel, the Properties panel, go to View and lock camera to View. So we can change the camera angle. Now I close this panel, and then we can select the camera and go to Object Data Properties, and then go to Background Image, check the box, open the setting, we can add image, and then go to Open, and choose an image. This is the glass image that's generated in last tutorial. We can find the tutorial in this channel. Now I open the image. So the background image is important. Now we can go to the setting. We can change the opacity. We can change offset to move it. And we can scale it. And we can rotate. So this is how we can set background image for a camera in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.